A great thing about Buckingham is our small class sizes.
Our tutorials are really small, there's like 6 to 8 students, so not only do we all get a lot of attention and a chance to speak, but we also get to know our lecturers on a personal level.
Having the small classes, it's something I would need. I wouldn't probably have done well in a bigger university.
As you can see, the small class size makes it very personal and very interactive for both the peers and the students, and provides us with a lot of opportunities to do group and peer work.
So this means we get lots of contact time with our lecturers, leaving us feeling very supported.
At Buckingham, you can complete your degree in 2 years and get top quality teaching as well as lots of contact with your lecturers.
You can see it in Buckingham's excellent rankings for teaching quality and student satisfaction.
Why not come and see for yourself?